Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Okay, so we're looking at two Weber grills, right? The Q2800N Plus and the Summit S-660. Big price difference.
Huge. The Q2800N Plus is around $400, while the Summit S-660 is pushing $2,850. What's the deal?
Well, the Q2800N Plus is designed for portability, fitting on a balcony. It's got a smaller cooking area, around 320 square inches. The Summit S-660, though, is a built-in behemoth.
Built-in, okay, that explains some of the cost. What's the cooking space like?
A massive 769 square inches on the Summit. You could cook for a whole party. And it has 6 burners compared to the Q's single main burner and a plus burner for searing.
So power and size are the big differences. What about materials?
The Q uses aluminum and porcelain enameled cast iron for the grates. The Summit goes full stainless steel, including the cooking grates and flavorizer bars. That probably contributes to the price too.
Stainless steel lasts, dimer is nicer. But does it really justify that price jump? What about features?
The Q has a wide temperature range, and a griddle insert is sold separately. It's even got built-in mounting for Weber Connect probes, which is cool. The Summit, being a high-end model, has a rotisserie kit, smoker box, and lighted control knobs. Pretty fancy stuff.
Wow, a rotisserie! Okay, I see the appeal. Still, nearly $3,000? What do the reviews say?
Here's where it gets interesting. The Q2800N Plus has a 4.6-star rating from 41 reviews, with people praising its portability and cooking capacity for a small family. The Summit, however, only has a 2.4-star rating from 10 reviews.
Ouch! 2.4 stars? What's the problem?
One reviewer said it turned into a rust bucket, and they had to replace almost the entire grill piece by piece. Apparently, even with warranty replacements, the labor was a pain.
So despite the high price tag and stainless steel construction, it seems like the Summit has some durability issues. Maybe the Q2800N Plus is the better deal, even if it's smaller. It's got better reviews and a much friendlier price point.
Seems like it. Unless you really need that built-in rotisserie action and are willing to risk the rust issues, the Q is probably the smarter buy. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.